Space debris cleanup, also known as space debris removal or space junk mitigation, refers to the proactive efforts and technologies aimed at reducing and mitigating the growing problem of space debris in Earth's orbit. Space debris, also called orbital debris or space junk, consists of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, fragments from previous collisions, and other discarded objects that orbit the Earth. The increasing amount of space debris poses a significant risk to operational satellites, spacecraft, and space missions, as well as to the long-term sustainability of space activities. Key aspects of space debris cleanup include 1. Tracking and monitoring. One of the first steps in space debris cleanup is accurate tracking and monitoring of the existing debris. Various space agencies and organizations around the world use radar and telescopes to track and catalog the thousands of pieces of debris in orbit. 2. Preventing new debris. To prevent the creation of new space debris, international guidelines recommend measures such as limiting debris-producing events like anti-satellite tests and ensuring that defunct satellites are deorbited safely. 3. Active debris removal, ADR. ADR techniques involve actively capturing or physically removing defunct satellites or large pieces of space debris from orbit. This can be done using robotic spacecraft equipped with capture mechanisms or nets. 4. Passive debris removal. Some solutions focus on reducing the lifetime of space debris. This includes concepts like lightweight, self-deorbiting materials that are designed to burn up upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. 5. Tether technologies. Electrodynamic tethers and other tether technologies can generate thrust in orbit and help deorbit satellites, reducing the amount of debris in space. 6. Harpoon and net technologies. Concepts like harpoons and nets can be used to capture and stabilize space debris, making it easier to deorbit. 7. Sustainability guidelines. International space agencies and organizations, including the United Nations, have established guidelines and best practices to promote sustainable space activities and reduce the generation of new space debris. 8. Collaboration. Space debris cleanup efforts often require international cooperation and coordination, as space debris is a global problem. Collaboration among space agencies, governments, and private companies is essential. Space debris cleanup is a complex and ongoing challenge, primarily due to the large number of objects in orbit and the difficulty of accessing and capturing them. It requires innovative technologies, international agreements, and long-term commitment to ensure the safety and sustainability of space activities. Addressing the space debris problem is crucial to preserving the future use of space for communication, Earth observation, scientific research, and space exploration. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.